Oh no, I think that's his mate. Oh, spicy! Oh, spicy! Oh. Proper Nordschleife and actually Nürburgring, because not only Nordschleife, it has a GP. Proper sticker. More stickers. Hey!
No sticker.
Yeah.
Italian plates.
Oh. Yeah, anyway, exactly. So we have a Megane RS, and not just a Megane RS, it has been built and modified, or not built, but mostly set up by Kirfel in Adenau, and they are known basically the same what Manta is for Porsche, Kirfel is for Renault's RSs, Megane or Clio, but in this case Megane 265. With a couple of mods. We have Cup 2 tires that are not the newest anymore, as you can see, so they were a bit understeery. We have also blue brake pads, so this is endless, very good. And underneath we have also KW Club Sport suspension. On the inside we have some harnesses that work very nicely and stock seats, but those are basically Recaro Sportster CS seats, the same that you can find in Focus RS, in this car, in the BMW CRS, etc. So, oh no, CRT, I think, like the limited edition. And that's kind of it. Totally forgot to introduce the owner. Because, yeah, the car, hi. Thank you very much for this lap.
Thank you to you, Misha.
So it's a 265. Have you done anything to the engine, or is it stock?
The engine has a stage 2, basically, about 310 horsepower.
Okay.
Nothing else. Intercooler.
Yeah, because it stayed very nice and cool, so that's it didn't overheat, so that's quite good.
Yeah. It's important for me.
Absolutely. Any other mods to the chassis? Any uniballs or like bushings?
No, nothing else. Only suspension.
Yeah.
As said, brakes, exhaust.
Oh yeah.
Intercooler.
And that's it. Yeah.
Not anymore.
Yeah. Well, proper track tool. So I would say, first of all, thanks again for a lap.
Thank you again, Misha.
And you guys enjoy the lap. Right. Let's proceed. Should I put it there and forget it? I'll try to put it here and not forget it, because it's difficult to access my what's in call it? Pocket. No. All right. In case you missed the intro, this car is built, modified by Kirfel. Kirfel in Adenau is like Manta is to Porsche, but then Kirfel is to Renault, Megane and Clio RSs. So I'm expecting quite some good setup, I would say. It's also nice that this is the first Megane RS that I'm doing as a solo lap, talking you through what I feel, what I think, how it drives. So yeah, I actually haven't asked if it has any power modification. I know it has KW Club Sport, it has endless brake pads. We're flat. Woohoo! The back end really wants to step out. Yeah, okay, that's a typical Megane, which you can use to your advantage once you know how everything handles. I had a small break between the last lap of this car and me driving, because I needed to do some other things, therefore the tires might be a bit cold. Yeah, of course Megane has been made famous or infamous for losing traction in Schwedenkreuz because the back end likes to step out, so you always need to like go on the gas through it with any car, but in this one in particular. So yeah, as we're warming up those Cup 2 tires, we will see how the car will handle, but so far, like at the beginning, it was quite spicy on the brakes. Let's take the curb to see how it goes. Quite nice, firm yet soft, like it should be. Especially I know since, woohoo, that's actually quite nice. You can trail brake and let the car rotate. Ahead of us is Hyundai i30N, which is another phenomenal great hot hatch, of course. So a bit of a comparison in power. This might be a bit faster, 265 stock, but maybe modify. The turn is amazing. The back end really rotates, but you need to floor it because otherwise it's gonna overtake you. Yeah. Approaching Schwedenkreuz. The tricky, sketchy, we should maybe upshift to 6th, but then we need to downshift as well. So always go on the gas through here. They really need a wing. Hard on the brake. getting warm and very grippy. Another hot hatch ahead of us, another FK8. It is a Type R, and it sounds, it's from SK, Slovakia, I guess. Quite loud. Oh no, uh-oh! That's not a shortcut you want to use. Oh no. I wonder if he's gonna make it to whichever YouTube channel is filming today, because I know Stateside Supercars is in Arnberg. I saw someone in Brunchen. So yeah. Important to be on gas always, not lift through corner, flat, flat, flat. On brakes, downshift, rev match, gas flat. Even if you have a bit of understeer, keep it flat. Should maybe upshift here, but yeah, that's the only downside, I would say, the gear ratios then. Because a lot of corners where you need to upshift before redlining, but then you're in the braking zone like 5 meters after, so it's kind of, that's the only thing that I would say would be a complaint for me with this car. I've been also notified that the tires are definitely not fresh, but good enough for a fast lap. And this is what we can hear, because there's significantly more understeer than you would usually expect from Cup 2s. So it's not ideal, but it's good. I'm really enjoying, having a good time. We can hear upshift, downshift. 6. How's the temperature? It's quite good actually. That is very nice. So I'm gonna assume that the car is stock, because usually modified Meganes, they really don't like it. Yeah, so now the tires are really warm because I tried to induce lift-off oversteer, make the back end really rotate like it was doing in the beginning of the lap, and it doesn't really do it. Could be good when you do not want it to step out. In my case, I really was enjoying it, but now, yeah, we cannot have it anymore. Fantastic traffic, everyone is paying attention, staying to the right and indicating. What a lovely gentleman today, tonight. Maybe ladies driving as well. I saw a couple of ladies drive there. One in a Honda Civic EK4, the yellow one, or it was an EK. So yeah, now we have there another Golf 7 GTI, I think, from Track Speed. Quite some good turn in from the Golf. Nice. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Like, it's a fantastic hatch. I really do not know what the prices of these nowadays, because considering the fact it's not the newest model anymore, because you have the newer one with the rear wheel steering. Try to do a lap of Nürburgring while pronouncing rear wheel steering. Rear wheel steering. Should do it 3 more times. Rear wheel steering, rear wheel steering, rear wheel steering. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so you have the new ones. That was, I think, at some point the most expensive hot hatch you could buy new. When you would option the carbon wheels, they would be like around 80,000 euros. Quite insane. Woohoo! But this current gen, especially with some of the earlier ones, I don't know, would they be around 10,000 or between 10 to 15? That's what I would price them at, knowing what they are. So if this is the rough amount you can get the car for, around 10, spend additional 10. Ooh, this Abarth was on the limit, maybe slightly over the limit. Let's be cautious, because reasons. Yeah, he's indicating now we can proceed. But yeah, seeing how he almost lost at the Brunchen, you do not want to do the overtake of such a car, because you might never know. I think that's his mate. Oh, spicy! Oh, spicy! Oh, 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 oh. Flamethrower. Very, very nice. Oh, and he rubbed his front tires. Oh, so Abarth, oof, dude, don't lift, don't brake, because Abarths are really known for flipping over, especially in this section. I know a lot of them were lost. I'm just gonna chill follow. You can see the front wheel lifting. He's off the line, so I don't know where he's going, but I'm enjoying it, but such late turn-in. He's fast. Nice, lots of flames. Yeah, what can I say? I loved it. I mean, compared to today's hot hatches, it's missing 50 horsepower or so, but with all the handling mods, really great. So like I said, I do not know the market, but in my head, from what I feel, this car today should be worth around 10,000 euros, I would say, between 10 to 15. If it's much more than that, of course, with low mileage and etc., but I wouldn't give more than 15 without mods in a good condition, because then you can put suspension, brakes, tires and go set up, because the seats are factory Recaro Sportster CS seats, some of the best seats you can find. So yeah, I wonder if the Abarth is going to get banned for being too loud or something. I'd say I really enjoyed. You let me guys know what you think of it, and see you tomorrow at the Nürburgring, because that's where we are.